Hi there! To use Galaxy AI Note Assist feature on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, first thing first, we will need to open this Samsung Note on our device, and after that, we will need to tap this icon to create new note. So here, trigger your keyboard by tapping keyboard icon, and then you will need to select those stars and choose Composer. So from here, you need to just give AI an idea on what you wanna see in the result. For example, let's say you wanna make a lecture about environment. So we can ask AI to give us 100 words essay about environment. And let me just quickly enter this idea. And after that, we can go in this standard and select either email, social media, comment, or standard. I want to leave standard. And here we can choose form. So this is a lecture, right? So let's select professional. And now all is left is to tap generate. And now it is composing our lecture, and here it is. We can copy it, refresh, and insert immediately. So let's insert it. And this is how it will look. Let's tap on those stars on the top of the screen, and here select auto format like that. We can select between headers and bullets and meeting notes. Let's choose headers and bullets. And now we will need to tap this blue button, generate text layout. And now it is figuring the best format, and this is how it will look. This is pretty amazing. We just gave AI an idea on what we want to see, and AI gave us this whole lecture. So let's just copy this before, and after that we can select add to, select new note on new page before. Let's choose new note, and this is the result, which is pretty amazing. So we got here headers and bullets, and everything looks just fine. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!